In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid mistakes when using Hostinger in 2026. Whether you're building your first website or managing multiple client sites, small errors inside Hostinger can lead to downtime, lost data, or even security risks. The good news is that most of these mistakes are completely avoidable if you know what to look out for. I'll walk you through the most common issues users face and exactly how to prevent them step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future website and hosting tutorials. Let's get started. The first mistake to avoid is not double-checking your navigation inside the Hostinger dashboard. Hostinger regularly updates its interface, and menu locations can change. So instead of blindly following old tutorials, always verify that you're clicking the correct and most current dashboard path. For example, settings that were once under Hosting may now appear under Websites or a different tab. Before making any major changes, take a few extra seconds to confirm you're in the right section. This prevents accidental edits to the wrong domain, the wrong website, or the wrong hosting plan. The second major mistake is not backing up your website before making changes. This is one of the most common and costly errors. Before updating plugins, editing files, changing DNS, or redesigning your site, always create a backup. In Hostinger, you can do this by going to Files and then Backups inside your H panel. If you're using WordPress, you can also install a reliable backup plugin to create manual restore points. Having a recent backup means that even if something breaks, you can restore your site in minutes instead of starting from scratch. Never assume nothing will go wrong. Always back up first. The third mistake is using incorrect domain and DNS settings. This is especially common when connecting a new domain or migrating a website. If you enter the wrong name servers or misconfigure DNS records, your website can go offline or your email can stop working. Always double-check the exact name servers provided by Hostinger and make sure they are entered correctly at your domain registrar. Remember that DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 24 hours, so don't panic immediately if changes aren't instant. Careful verification here saves you from unnecessary downtime. Another critical mistake to avoid is weak security practices. You should always use strong, unique passwords for your Hostinger account, your WordPress admin area, and your email accounts. In addition to strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, on your Hostinger account whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of protection, even if someone somehow gets your password. Many website hacks happen because of simple password weaknesses. Taking a few minutes to strengthen your security can save you from major headaches later. Finally, never make big changes directly on your live website without testing first. If you're redesigning your site, installing a new theme, or adding complex functionality, use a staging environment or a temporary subdomain to test everything before pushing it live. Hostinger allows you to create staging sites depending on your plan, or you can clone your site to a subdomain for testing. This way, visitors won't see errors or broken layouts while you experiment. Testing first keeps your live website professional and stable. So to quickly recap, always double-check your dashboard navigation, back up your site before changes, carefully verify domain and DNS settings, use strong passwords with two-factor authentication, and test everything before updating your live website. If you follow these 5 steps, you'll avoid the most common Hostinger mistakes in 2026. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.